So children, practice set 15.1 we have started earlier, and first two sums it is already over. Now let us see practice set 15.1 third sum. Area of parallelogram is 83.2 square centimeter if its height is 6.4 centimeter. Height is given and area is given. Find the length of its base. Solution. For a parallelogram, area is equal to 83.2 square centimeter and height is equal to 6.4 centimeter. Okay. So whatever given things are there, we will write down first in the solution, and area of parallelogram is equal to base into height formula. Okay, so substitute the value of area is 83.2 and base is not given, so write it base into height is what, 6.4. so how to calculate base? Base is equal to this area upon height, so 83.2 upon 6.4. so after removing the decimal point, what we have, 832 upon 64, and after dividing it we get 13 centimeter. So base is 13 centimeter. Therefore the length of base of a parallelogram is 13 centimeter. Okay children, and now let us see the next part of after area of a parallelogram. We will see area of a rhombus. So what is the formula for area of parallelogram children? Base into height. And now area of a rhombus. Now let us see one rhombus over here given ABCD. This figure is called as a rhombus. And children, here the middle point of this diagonal BD and AC, here it is M is the, let us say M is the midpoint. Then which two are diagonal? Diagonal BD and diagonal AC. When it coincide, it will be coinciding at point M. And now all sides of a parallelogram are equal. Okay. So what will be the area of a rhombus now? Area of rhombus is half into product of diagonals. Half into product of diagonals. There are two diagonals. Which are the diagonals here? That is equal to half into AC into BD. AC is one diagonal and BD is one diagonal. So half into AC into BD. That is equal to, let us name those diagonal as D1 and D2. So what is the formula for area of rhombus then? Half into D1 into D2. In this way, let us see some examples, solved examples from your textbook. Lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus are 11.2 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter respectively. Find the area of rhombus. So what is the formula children? Area of a rhombus is half into product of lengths of the diagonals. What you will write? Half into product of lengths of the diagonal. And what is the length of the diagonal? It is equal to half into D1 into D2. So put always small d for diagonal. Do not write capital D. Half into D1 into D2. So it is equal to half into, now first diagonal is 11.2. See 11.2 and another diagonal is 7.5. So 11.2 into 7.5. Now here this half is multiplied with 11.2. What we will get? 11.2 upon 2 into 7.5. Now 11.2 divided by 2 is 5.6 into this 7.5. So 5.6 into 7.5 is equal to 42 square centimeter. Therefore area of a rhombus is equal to what? 42 square centimeter. In this way we can calculate area of a rhombus. Now let us see another example. Area of rhombus is 96 square centimeter. One of the diagonal is 12 centimeter. Find the length of its side. So see, ABCD is here a rhombus. Let quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Diagonal BD is of length 12 centimeter. Diagonal BD is what? 12 centimeter. Area of the rhombus is 96 square centimeter. Complete area is what? 96. So first find the length of the diagonal AC. So if you find the length of the diagonal, then only it will be possible for you to find the area of a rhombus by substituting both the diagonals value. So here we don't know the length of first diagonal. that is AC. So let us find area of rhombus is equal to half into product of lengths of diagonal. This we know. So substituting the value, area is given as 96. It is equal to half into, now one diagonal is given as 12. So 12 into length AC we will write, length AC. That is, this half into 12 means 6. 2 ones are and 2 6 are. So 6 into length AC. So what will be length AC then? Length AC is equal to what? This 96 upon 6. 96 upon 6 divided by 6. So what we have? 16 centimeter. So length AC is equal to 16 centimeter. Now let E be the point of this point. Let E be the point of intersection of diagonals of a rhombus. Diagonals are what? Perpendicular bisector of each other. Diagonal of a rhombus, this is one property. Diagonal of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors of each other. So, and E be the point of intersection of diagonals. Diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. So, in triangle ADE, in triangle this ADE, in this triangle what we have? Major angle E is 90 degree. See, major angle E is AED, major angle this E is 90 degree. So length DE is equal to half of DB. DE is half of DB. Okay, then it is equal to length DE is equal to half of length DB, which is equal to half multiplied by 12, because DB is 12. It is given in the question. So when you divide by 12 with 2, so you will get 6. In this way, what will be AE? AE is half of AC. AE is half of AC, and AC just now we have found 16. Okay, so AE is equal to half of length AC. It is equal to half into length AC is 16. So 2 ones are and 2 eights are. So AE is 8 and DE is 6. So using Pythagoras theorem, we get length AD square is equal to length AE square plus length DE square. AD square is equal to length AE square plus length ED square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. So substitute the value. AE we have as 8, AE square plus DE square. DE we have 6, so 8 square plus 6 square, that is 8 square is 64 and 6 square is 36. So it is equal to 100. That means AD square is 100. If AD square is 100, what will be AD? AD is 10 centimeter. Therefore, side of rhombus is 10 centimeter. This side, AD is 10 centimeter. Okay. So we have completed this example, and now let us start. 2 examples we have done. Now practice set 15.2. Lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus are 15 centimeter and 24 centimeter. So find its area. For a rhombus, length of the first diagonal D1 is equal to what? 15 centimeter. Length of second diagonal D2 is equal to what? 24 centimeter. And now write down the formula. Area of rhombus is half into product of diagonals. Product of lengths of diagonals also you can write, which is equal to half into D1 into D2. So write down the value of D1 and D2 now. Half into 15 into 24. That is this 2. We will cross this 2 with 24. So 24 and this 2 will be cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 24. 15 into 12 is 180 square centimeter. So therefore area of rhombus is 180 square centimeter. Now children, let us see the second sum of practice set 15.2. Lengths of diagonals of a rhombus are 16.5 centimeter and 14.2 centimeter. And what we have to do? Find the area of rhombus. Okay, find the area of a rhombus here. Now let us write the solution. For a rhombus, length of first diagonal D1 is 16.5 centimeter. Length of second diagonal D2 is 14.2 centimeter. What will be the area of a rhombus? Area of rhombus is 1/2 into product of lengths of the diagonals or product of diagonals. So it is equal to half into D1 into D2. That means D1 is 16.5 and D2 is 14.2. So half into 16.5 into 14.2. What we will have? if you cancel this 14.2 with this 2, so you will get 2 sevens are 4, 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14 and 2 ones are 2. So 7.1 and 16.5. So multiply 7.1 by 16.5, or you can do the calculation as if you wish. So after calculation we have area of a rhombus is equal to 117.15 square centimeter. In this way, length of first diagonal, second diagonal, put in the area formula, area of rhombus, and calculate it, and area of rhombus is 117.15 square centimeter. So second sum is also over, children, and in this way practice set 15.2 two sums we have done, and the other part we will do it tomorrow. Thank you.